viewers! Today I'm here with a pancake recipe. Hope you all have seen my video of fluffy pancakes. So today I'll let you know the recipe of mini pancakes. These are very cute and satisfying delight, but most importantly they are going to be finger licking delicious. So let's check it out. First I'm going to start with the dry ingredients. In a bowl, refine 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Refine it and keep it aside. Now, in a jar, take 1/2 cup of milk, 1 whole egg, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 1/4 teaspoon of vinegar, and 2.5 tablespoons of sugar. Whisk it well. Pour this mix to the dry ingredients and whisk it well. The pancake batter is ready. Pour this batter to a Ziploc bag or a piping bag, or you can even use a squeeze bottle. Here I prefer using a Ziploc bag as it is much easier to handle. Make sure that you make the smallest cutting possible, because if the cutting goes big, you won't be able to control the batter properly. Now heat a pan and start squeezing the batter into small rounds. Make sure that you keep it in a medium flame. Will not have to cook it for long. Flip the pancakes and make sure that you cook it only for next 15 seconds and not more than that. Because if you cook it for more than that, the pancakes will get dry. Continue the process until the batter is finished. Now, the cute, satisfying and delicious mini pancakes are ready to serve. You can serve it with honey syrup or any chocolate syrup that you like. Go give it a try and enjoy it. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, comment and like. Bye-bye.